They steal my $280 air quality monitor, so I discover the toxic mold that destroys their entire kingdom in 14 days. I'm David Morrison, 39, industrial hygienist in Ashford Ridge, Virginia, where Patricia Whitmore runs the HOA like her personal empire from a white Georgian colonial with black shutters and a 2023 Lexus ES 350 parked in the circular driveway. The neighborhood gleams with brick walkways and fountain courtyards where 47 families pay $450 monthly for the privilege of her approval on everything from fence height to mailbox fonts. I'm the guy who tests factories for asbestos and corporate buildings for lead, living in the modest rancher at the end of Maple Court with practical landscaping and a home lab for work equipment, which is why Friday's stolen package matters, because that $280 particle counter measures airborne contaminants I need for a client report due Monday. My doorbell camera shows Patricia at 3:47 p.m. taking the box labeled calibration equipment, handle with care, and I watch her walk it straight to her Lexus where the pressure-triggered dye pack I installed explodes 30 seconds later, coating her pearl white leather interior and both hands in permanent purple ink that doesn't wash out with soap or bleach or professional detailing. Saturday morning, she storms to my door demanding I pay for her $1,200 detailing bill, and when she opens her mouth to threaten legal action, I smell it. That distinct musty sweetness of prolonged water damage mixed with decaying organic matter, and I glance past her shoulder to see the telltale brown water stains spreading across her entry hall ceiling near the chandelier. I'm trained to recognize Stachybotrys chartarum exposure, and this house is saturated with it. So, Monday I return with my professional air sampler and take readings from her front porch while she's at her tennis lesson, confirming 8,400 spores per cubic meter, when anything above 500 requires immediate remediation. Tuesday, I send the certified letter with lab results attached, offering two choices. Option 1, I file mandatory disclosure with the county health department, triggering inspection of all 47 homes, and she faces potential class action lawsuit for knowingly concealing environmental hazards as HOA president. Or option 2, she pays $280 for my monitor plus $12,000 for professional mold testing across the entire community. Plus she resigns from the board and signs a contract making me the environmental safety officer at $3,000 annually with authority to inspect any property showing contamination indicators. Wednesday at 2 p.m., she writes the check for $12,280 with purple still visible in her cuticles and signs the 5-year contract plus the resignation letter, then schedules her own remediation, costing $43,000 to strip walls and replace ductwork in her pristine colonial that's been poisoning her family for 3 years. Thursday, I test the community and find 3 more properties with dangerous levels, which means the HOA now needs me permanently. And Patricia lists her house at 18% below market value because nobody wants the mold mansion moving to a rental across town by month's end.